Hey everybody, so today I have a Costco haul. I'm gonna add it on to my grocery haul, or I might do this haul first, I don't know, but anyways, it's a Costco and grocery haul. So first I wanted to show these donuts that we got. We ate two already, but we got these for Valentine's Day and they're so good. So we already ate the red velvet and the vanilla sugar one. The red velvet was so amazing. This one is just sprinkles. This one is cinnamon heart. This one is Oreo. That one looks so good. And then this one is raspberry ganache, or however you say that. So to eat those, and what the red velvet was really good, and they're so pretty. But this is everything. We did like an impromptu Costco run, so we got some bananas, my favorite creamy dill pickle salad, these Heavenly Hunk oatmeal chocolate cookie things. I've been eating these for a long time. They're really good, but I saw Simply Manders. She mixes them with some strawberries and whipped cream and like eats them for dessert. So that looked really good. I might do it with some raspberries, but they're really good. And then I bought a bag of these last time and it's also really good. I just like to have some after dinner. So we got another bag and I got 2 things of peanut butter. We didn't mean to get 2, but we both went and got the peanut butter without knowing. So we're like, whatever, we'll eat it. So we just got 2 things of raspberries. I've been loving yogurt and raspberries, and I got some Greek yogurt last time, so I have lots of Greek yogurt. So this is just for that. I think of chocolate milk, a thing of real milk. This coconut oil, I'm running super low in my other jar like this that I've had for a long time, so I just got a new one. The taco kit for dinner tonight. This thing is amazing. It's so good. So I'm excited to have that later. And it usually lasts us 2 meals, so we can have it for lunch tomorrow. 2 things of 18-count eggs. We've been making a lot of hard-boiled eggs just to have in the fridge as a snack. So we've been going through eggs pretty fast. And then lasagna. We got this last time and it was really good, so we're just gonna put this in the freezer for the future. And again, this lasts us like 2 or 3 meals, so it's a really easy thing to make, or if company's coming over. Some toilet paper. Again, just love to have lots in stock so I don't have to worry about it, so we always get it there. These are something that we're trying for the first time. It's the Fairlife chocolate protein drinks. 30 grams of protein. There's only 4 carbs and how much sugar? 2 grams of sugar. So super low sugar, which I thought was interesting. And 30 grams of protein, 150 calories. So they're chocolate flavored. I'm excited to try these and we'll see what they're like. And then we got this whole thing of corn because I use corn a lot in our recipes. So we just got this. It was $9 for 9, so $1 each, which was a pretty good deal. And then we got Ziploc freezer bags. We just needed to restock on those because we freeze all of our meat from Costco. And that was everything that we got from Costco. I also picked up this Scuba Half Zip from Lululemon. I have this in black in the full zip, but I wanted the half zip one. And this is in the color Mellow Wine or Merlot Wine. And it's so pretty. I love the color. And this girl, I was looking at buying it anyway, but this girl put it on Facebook Marketplace for like $35 off, and just because she was too lazy to return it. So that was a really good deal because it wasn't even open. She didn't even open it. She bought this one and the funnel neck one, and she liked the funnel neck one better. So she just wanted to get rid of this one. So yeah, I got this good deal. So we went and picked that up today too. And I'm excited to wear this. It's kind of like this one actually, but I love the hoods and they're so comfy. I also got in the mail while we were gone 2 pairs of these seamless shorts. I love the look of seamless shorts during workouts. I used to be like an only leggings person when I worked out, but I've been really liking shorts with like a big sweater. So I haven't tried these on yet. They look very small, but they stretch. So it's just this seamless pair, and then the back looks like this. They have the scrunch butt and then the things right here. So I don't know if those, how I'm gonna like those, but I thought I would try. These are just from Amazon, so they remind me a lot of the Gymshark ones, but the Gymshark ones are expensive, and if I don't like them I can just return them obviously. And then I got this one too because I love the camo bottoms just because they add something different when then if you just wear them with a plain top. But these ones look really small. So these are the other pair, so we'll have to see how they look on, but again, they usually like stretch a lot, so try those on. And like these with this would be like so cute. We'll see. Anyways, if they don't fit, I can just return them, but that is everything I got today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and today I have a small grocery haul for you. We weren't even really planning on getting groceries, but we needed some vinegar and some cleaning supplies to get kind of a good house clean in this weekend. So we did end up going today and got a few basic things. So I will just get right into it. So first we got a basil. It was on sale and Derek uses this every morning on his English muffin. Some wedges. These in the air fryer are so good and just a really easy side I like to keep in the house. Some flour. I have some bananas I'm gonna make banana bread with, so I just get these little packages because I don't use flour too often, and I just like the way they fit in the cupboard. And some pickles and burger buns. Then these cheddar jalapeno chips. These chips are amazing. I am not one to like sit and eat a bag of chips, but these are really good. Baby spinach for my smoothies. Marbled cheese slices for Derek. He likes to eat this on random things like burgers or breakfast sandwiches. Some raspberries for my yogurt parfaits. This flatbread pizza. I'm having a girls' night tonight. Hopefully the weather is very nasty, so hopefully that still happens. But I got this flatbread pizza. I love these on girls' nights. You just put them in, they're quick, then cut them up and people can just have slices of them. Also, like if you want to cook a pizza or something, I think it's just like a really good addition to a buffet kind of style. Or not a buffet, but a potluck. And then I'm also bringing these Nan Crisps. These are amazing. These crackers are so good. And then I got this Havarti jalapeno cheese. I have tried the normal Havarti and it was good, but no one really likes jalapeno like in my family or anything. So I've never tried the jalapeno one, so I thought tonight would be a good opportunity because I know my friends like to try different stuff like this. So I get to try this tonight and I'm really excited. Some hummus for dipping my vegetables in, some bananas, 2 avocados. One is pretty ripe and the other one is should take a little bit longer, so hopefully they even out. 2 sweet potatoes, 2 things of ground beef. We haven't bought ground beef in a very long time. Actually, we might have in the trailer, but at home, because we had a quarter of a cow for a really long time now, but we just used the last ground beef, so that's really sad. So now we had to buy some. So we got 2 packages of that, some Miracle Whip, some carrots for my hummus. Then Derek got 3 things of banana yogurt. I got my yogurt at Costco. We actually did like a $500 Costco run last week or the week before, and I should have videoed it, but I was just like not in the mood that day. So I got 3 Greek yogurts from Costco, so I didn't need any yogurt today. And we got some cleaning supplies, some Lysol toilet cleaner. We're gonna try this in the shower. If anyone has good shower recommendation, we have like one of the shower bathtub combos for cleaning, let me know because I find those so hard to clean. And then we needed some vinegar to clean out our coffee maker, so we have all that. And then I got my favorite Olay moisturizer. This is the sensitive skin one. I was just running out. And then this one was not planned. It's an Olay overnight mask, and it was on like clearance for $6, so I just thought I would try that one. And then we did go to the LCBO. I got 3 things of summer bee for Derek, this bottle of wine for my girls' night tonight, and then this boxed wine for home. I really like this one, and I like the box it comes in. So that was everything that we got today, and I will see you later.